everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 2nd to the 6th of February 2026 on Monday. Just when Joanne thinks she is on her way to recovery, she suffers a setback when she's arrested for the haste. Sbu is honored by the ESCO members. Prince Klein refused to give up on their money they want from Prince on Tuesday. Mondli want answers about Nkuzi's involvement in the haste. Prince clients go on a manhunt destination. Noma Russia Nyawo sells Lily's fate regarding her involvement with Mr. Dongwe and Underberg haste case on Wednesday. The Wamashu police scramble for answers, but Nkunzi's secret remains just out of reach. Njeza whistles with telling Lily about her father's criminal past, and Prince finally sees Noma Russia for what she really is, a master manipulator on Thursday. Nkunzi turns a deaf ear to Brandon's humble plea. Njeza lies to protect Lily, and Nonka assert control when Mabekazi and Bata try to hijack the awards on Friday. Insizwa learns the hard way that no good deed goes unpunished. Joanne is caught between a rock and a hard place. The My Hero Award creates a buzz. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.